My friends, the sun is out. What a beautiful day. Chuck's been busy. Today's a training day. I got my radio. Anyways, we're all the switches. We gotta get them prepared for inspections so we can start driving trains. And inspections are next week, so we got a lot of things to do. Passenger chains are sitting right now. Maybe this year, maybe not. We're not sure yet. Everything's up in the air. This past week will tell a bigger story. So, anyways, let's get to her. Okay, now what we're gonna have to do today is get this thing running. It's a tie crane. They use it to remove ties and replace ties, stuff like that. Multi-purpose. It also we put a head on it, different unit, front end on it, and do like a brush cutter and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is gonna be our plan of attack. Cleaning all these up, all the switches to change over from one line to another. They're all been growing over, not being used in 6 years, and they need greased up, lubed up, ensure that they're properly going, and to ensure that they're properly switching, all of that stuff, clearing debris, blah 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 blah. We'll ensure that all the debris is out of there, regrouped. Oh my god, how bad is that? Make sure all the hitching points are lined up and stuff, and that working, and all the debris out of the switching points like that will switch over, right? So we have to make sure everything's cleaned out, no rocks. Actually, this would be an ongoing maintenance once things are running. And you can see evidence we did run something on this track. Beauty. I have to use those on my knees once in a while. It's funny, it's the first item I've ever seen moved on the rail line. Anyways, changed some hoses on it, and electrical problems, solenoid wasn't clicking in. But hey, semi-moving on the line. I don't know if we're supposed to, but hey, is what it is. Yeah, I got to try driving it a little bit. A little unsure, first time I've ever driven on a train track, so new experience for me. Very fun, but he took some videos and he's gonna send it to me, so that's cool. Choo-woo! Chugga 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 chugga. I'm on the wrong side of the sun.
There you go.
So in this scene here, we are trying to move ties around from one spot to another, lifting them and turning them, just kind of practicing and having some fun. So my first time driving on a railway was definitely exciting, but it was also a daunting experience. So taking things very slowly, driving very slowly, was the order of the day. Well, my friends, this video is short. First ride, very exciting, like I said, but you know what? We have more stuff coming up. As this video was taken, we did get city approval by the city of Port Alberni that we could use the waterfront to drive trains on. So we got all our approvals in place. Now bigger trains will be driven in future videos, so stay tuned. I'm gonna say, hey, thanks for watching as always, muchly appreciated, and we'll show you some real neat video stuff coming up. I'm excited to share that one. Yeah, firsthand riding the rails. Cheers, my friends. See you next video. Stay awesome until next video.